welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Sunday reset routine. I decided to name this one a mini Sunday reset routine because I just have a handful of things to get done in this video and they're pretty random. To start, I'm going to throw our sheets and pillowcases into the washing machine today. I'm not going to throw in our duvet cover. Sometimes I wash our duvet cover each week and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I'll do it like every other week. It just depends on how much it's being used. Most of the time it's folded down at the end of our bed and it just doesn't need to be washed. So I am going to be skipping it this time around. I'll probably do that next week. Throwing in a heaping scoop of these scent beads. I use scent beads on specific things like throw blankets, bedding, sheets, things like that. I don't use it on every load of laundry that I do. And since our sheets are white, I'm going to also throw in a little bit of bleach. Heading back up to my room, I have been wanting to wipe down our nightstands for a while, so I'm finally getting to that. And then I noticed that our mirrors were pretty dusty, so I'm gonna wipe those down as well. Using Lysol wipes to wipe the nightstands down. And speaking of nightstands, a lot of you guys ask me about them whenever I show my nightstands in my videos. We actually got these years and years ago from IKEA. I think they're considered 3-drawer dressers. These nightstands were actually supposed to be temporary until we found the ones that we love and that were more our style. You guys know we move around a lot, and at the time I think we needed something super fast, and I think these were like $150 a piece, which is crazy. They're still perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with them. I still want to look for something that's more our style. While our sheets are washing, I have a couple errands to run. It's pouring down raining, but I need to get things done today.
Don't have to do anything. The scent of skin is strong enough. Huddle a little bit closer, babe. Let's see if I can warm you up. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby. Oh, babe, snuggle. Snuggle, baby. Just wait. Let me drive you crazy, my cuddle baby. Wanna stay? Let's get stupid lazy, my cuddle baby.
As you can see, it's getting pretty dark outside, so I'm gonna pick up with the rest of the video tomorrow.
Hold me like it's out of style.
It's the next day, and one of the things on my list to get done today is clean this freezer out. I have been avoiding cleaning out the freezer for the longest time. There's something about the freezer, I just can't stand taking everything out and cleaning it out. So I try to spot clean it from time to time, but I really just need to take everything out and just spray it down really well. So that's what I'm gonna be doing.
Stay. Let's get stupid lazy, my cuddle baby.
Since I'm cleaning inside the fridge where food is at, I try not to use anything super harsh, so I'm going to be using Branch Basics today. It's an all-purpose spray, and I have this concentrate. All I do is fill it up to the specific line with water and then finish it off with the concentrate. Our fridge produces 3 types of ice, and this is our favorite one. These ice balls, they're so cool. So the majority of the things in this freezer are actually for the kids, and it's crazy because I just am now realizing that watching this footage back. A lot of their quick like heat up breakfast and lunch things in here, so they're able to just go in here and get whatever they want in the morning if I'm not cooking breakfast before school, or on the weekends when we have an early basketball game or something, they can just come in here and grab something really quick to eat for breakfast. I also have like frozen fruit in here and popsicles, and we do keep ice cream in here. So we do have another fridge. It's in our pantry, and a lot of you guys already know this. That's where we keep a lot of our real food, like our meat and frozen veggies, things like that. So this is one of those things that it's so easy to forget because time moves so fast. It's important to sanitize all of your most used devices at least once a week, and I try to do this on Sundays. So right now I'm just sanitizing the kids' most used devices. So their iPads, they both have an Oculus, like a VR headset. I'm doing those, and anything else that you touch on a daily basis. So our remote controls, that screen that's on our wall, it's called the Echo Show 15. It's always getting touched all day long. Other things I try to remember to sanitize are our cabinet handles, doorknobs, game controllers, and buttons that are on the oven and microwave.
Calling you up at 2 in the morning, but you don't wanna talk, you don't wanna bother. Yeah, so I take another shot, let my brain do the walking. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure from you. Tear me apart when I know you don't want me.
The last thing on my list today is cleaning the shoe closet out. It's not terrible. I just need to get in here and vacuum and mop because there's a lot of grass and dirt on the floor in here, so I need to get that cleaned out. The majority of these shoes are the kids' shoes. Me and Brandon usually keep our shoes upstairs in the closet, but it's just easier for the kids' shoes to be down here. Also, they don't have a lot of shoe space in their closet upstairs anyway. I'm just gonna take everything out, vacuum, mop, and then just reorganize the shoes.
You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure.
last but not least, I'm spraying everything down with the Febreze fabric spray. And that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.